we are local. We're not a franchise. We're not on a national basis. I think that gives us some flexibility with our clientele, and it allows us to kind of customize the cleaning that we do for people and the programs based on the client's needs. Our customer service is top-notch. We feel like our levels of attentiveness to our clients and their needs surpasses anything out there right now. We've got an excellent quality control program, which consists of this CleanIntelligence software that we utilize on our mobile devices. It allows us to inspect, report, and measure metrics in terms of the cleaning, and it's kind of a foolproof system. It allows for us to maintain the cleanliness, to measure it, and communicate it with our clients effectively. Another piece that kind of gives us a leg up is really, our training of our staff. We do significant training. A lot of that starts on the front end at the construction clean site, where they're learning, our color-coded rag systems, our color-coded mopping systems, all of our chemicals and how to use those safely and effectively. And that's a huge thing, just having that up front. So when we get the individuals in the buildings, their managers and their training crews are with them, they have got a full-blown previous knowledge of what's going on, and then they get additional training on, hey, here's the building, here's the areas that we're cleaning, here's your specification that you're working off of, and then at the end they're completing their list, crossing everything off, making sure everything's been completed, and then an inspection follows with our CleanIntelligence software. Again, foolproof. The steps in place are foolproof so that things aren't going to be missed on a regular basis. And then if we put an additional or a new cleaner in there or something, we still have the same scope of work. The specifications are already put together so that they can just jump right in. Our level of expectation within the construction cleans is very high. We're turning these over to buildings where they're starting up, fresh, new. We want it to be perfect. There is a lot of debris, there's a lot of sheetrock dust, there's a lot of paint on floors, things like that. So the cleaning individuals working with us understand, hey, this has got to be a deep clean. This has got to be 100% ready to go when that new client starts within their building. And we take those that same approach to starting our janitorial contracts. And they know that. They know, hey, we come in, the building does not look so hot. Usually we're replacing another cleaning company that's previously been there. We've got a really deep clean. We've got to go into detailed cleaning and make sure this place is 100% for us to start. They recognize, hey, it has to be clean. They realize the details have to be done. And all of that really stems from, again, their training within the construction clean division on those facilities.